Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking out the Sixthreezero Relax Body. Yeah, this is a new trike from Sixthreezero. Really excited to have it. In fact, I'll tell you, this was a really nice surprise in how well it looks, how well it performs. Probably my favorite Sixthreezero product to date. Yeah, so let's take it out for a ride and I'm going to show you some things about it. And yeah, let's just get going. All right, isn't this thing beautiful? I mean, just admire that for a moment. This is just gorgeous. This is a different color blue than some of his other products, and I like this so much better. Just super nice. Check out the wheel color. That is just really neat how that wheel color kind of goes with the frame color. And then of course he's got the traditional saddle brown on the grips and on the seat. One of the things I like about this that I didn't like on some of the other previous bikes is the chrome. You know, to me, the chrome just kind of seems like, you know, old style, vintage, just didn't care for it so much. On this bike, it works so well because you've got, you know, this nice chrome handlebars up here, but you have, you know, the chrome silver spokes, and you've got the wheel hub there and the disc that shines through. You don't have like, you know, amber reflectors. You got white reflectors, which is just a really nice touch. But down here, you got the crank and the pedals. All that has got that silvery chrome kind of look, and the motor kind of sticks out nice and bright right there. And then the same thing with the rear wheels. You know, together, you know, when you put it all together with this color of frame that he's got on here, I just think it looks amazing. And I tell you what, it rides amazing also. Yeah, let me show you. Morning, Charlie.
Good morning.
All right, guys, so this thing is called the Relax Body, and for good reason. Your pedals are out in front of you just a little bit, makes it a really comfortable riding position. Look, I'm 6'1", and I got my seat post maybe a little tall right now because I'm getting pretty much full leg extension. But the seat post drops down really low, so you can, you know, if you're a shorter rider, you can easily ride this. There, I lowered my seat just a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so super nice, just comfortable ride. The handlebars sit up nice and tall. I like the design of the handlebars. They're not too wide, not too narrow. You know, they sweep back just enough to where it's comfortable. So I like that. This thing is just easy to pedal, and it just looks sharp. I've had several people already test ride it, and they thought the same thing. They just really like it. My buddy Ron, who lives right up here, he really likes it as well. Thinks it's really sharp. Good morning, how are you? What's that? Good for you. Yeah, nice.
Ron was out yesterday. I was out yesterday. Some guy he's like a salesman for you.
I know.
He had some guy in the garage yesterday, wants to buy one for his dad, and looking at all his bikes.
Oh, that was that salesman that came through. Yeah, I haven't met the salesman.
Yeah,
he was down there.
That was a big one.
It's funny.
Like the guy comes to sell him something. He's selling him something.
That's what you're on is,
right?
Hey guys. Yeah.
When did you get this one?
Just a few days ago. I got two of them in.
Okay. Oh, I meant to ask you, is there one that has a shorter handle to
reach?
Yeah.
We can make adjustments to that.
Okay.
Is that a little too far for you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Puts my carpal tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Puts my carpal tunnel a little. I don't know if that one will adjust or not, but.
Yeah, I don't remember what the handlebars are on it. Let me take a look at it.
I don't know if they.
All right, it's always great talking to neighbors and visiting with people. And, you know, when you're on an e-bike, especially me in my neighborhood, I mean, people are so used to seeing me out here cruising around in different bikes, and they're always stopping and asking, hey, what's this one all about? And that's kind of fun. But anyway, back to the Sixthreezero Relax Body. I'm not sure where I left off, but yeah, just a great bike. We had one little problem. Let me stop right here. When we first got it, we had one little problem. Simple fix. Beep. Stop right here. When we got it, we had a nasty rattle going on. We were driving ourselves crazy trying to figure out where this rattle was coming from. It was a simple fix. Right back here, where the basket joins this the frame up here. See that little bit of a crack going right through there? Well, over here, it was vibrating just enough to make it a loud little so. And there was another spot, I don't know, somewhere over here, right there. Another little spot. So temporarily, I just pushed a little piece of paper in there, folded up. But I'm going to find something a little more permanent, just to shove in that crack to fill that space. And because it's right now you can, every once in a while I still hear a little bit, so there may be another spot I need to do that with just to kind of dampen the vibration. But otherwise, yeah, the motor's nice and quiet, not loud at all. Super, super nice. One of the things I like about it, let's get out here in this stretch of road. One of the things I like about it is, let's just go ahead and pop down here into pedal assist 1. No throttle, we're just gonna cruise around. So we're doing 4.8, 5.2 miles per hour. So if you want to go slow, maybe if you're a senior and you just don't, not interested in the speed, you can go about 5 miles per hour on this bike. So that's just really nice. It's nice to be able to do that. A lot of bikes don't allow you to go that slow. But if you want to bump it up into number 2, hold on. Just a gentle kick there. And now we're going on up to, what is it, 6.5, 7? 7.5. I think it's settling down about 7.5 for pedal assist 2, pedal assist 3. Another little bit of a zip there. It just kind of jumps up there kind of quick. Now we're at 8, 9. Probably going to settle in at 9. Look, I'm going to take this corner right here. Going to lean just a little bit to the right to counterbalance. There's 4. Nice another little zip right there. Getting on up. There's 5. There's another kick. So now we can just get on up there to the top speed of about 16 miles per hour. Yeah. So we're doing about 15.5. About 15.5, almost 16 is what I'm getting. And you can check the cadence out. A little fast on the pedals here. A lot of people would be able to handle it. Some people wouldn't be able to go that fast. But if you need speed and you can't pedal that fast, then just use the throttle. Oh, you hear that basket? I heard that basket rattle a little bit right there when I hit that throttle. Now we're going 19.5 miles per hour. So you got the speed. And it's a comfortable ride. I did find that, when I'm turning, I do need to lean, counterbalance just a little bit. We do have a 24 by 3 inch tire in the front, and there are 20 by 3 inch tires on the back side. But because you sit up so tall on this, you're not top heavy or anything, but you can just tell that it's got a little bit of lean. See there, it's a little leaning to the left a little bit too much. So you just counterbalance just slightly. There's that basket rattling again. So I do have another spot that I need to fix on it. Right when I engage the throttle and hit it kind of hard, that's when I hear that rattle. Then it quietens right down again. Yeah, hey guys, we're going to be bringing you a lot of videos about this. I'll do a full review sometime soon after I can get done enjoying it and riding it some more. But I just wanted to introduce you to it. That's going to be it for this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Ask any questions you want down below. Check out the relaxed body from Sixthreezero. It is super rad, super nice, super, I told the owners, almost got that pimped out look just because of all that chrome. But man, I tell you, it does work. It doesn't work. Yeah. Tell me in the comments down below what you think about how it looks. And I just got done telling you how it performs, so yeah. So hey, that's going to be it. See you guys in another video real soon.